Hey, what is good? So, I am going to be talking about the Village Naturals Therapy Aches Plus Pain Muscle Relief. And you can use this as a foaming bath oil. Like, if you haven't want to take like a nice bubble bath, or you can use this as a body wash. And I like when it says, like don't have time for like a full bath. You can use this like as a body wash, like especially just apply it to where you have sore muscles or you have pain. I actually did that one time. I didn't have time to have a nice soaked bubble bath or whatever, so I had to do the shower thing and apply it to where the pain was, and I kind of kept it on there for a while, and I can feel the pain being drawn out of it. But this is actually what I used along with the Dr. Teal's soaking solution that I was talking about for my foot. And this stuff really lathers up very nicely. Like I literally saw, like it was foaming, like it saw bubbles everywhere. Like you really don't need a lot of this. Like I said, I really don't pay attention to directions. Shame on me. It lathers really good, and you can see I've used a lot of it, like a lot. But the color it's like a greenish color, and it literally smells like a mini. I don't know if it was that menthol or spearmint. Boom, there it is. Duh, right in my face. It kind of like has like a mini smell to it. It smells like something dealing with like health and wellness, dealing with, I don't know, I guess like when you're dealing with like muscle pain, or when you're dealing with like sore ache muscles or sprains, or it's just anything that's sore on you and you got pain going on, or it has that, I guess that medical smell, if that makes sense, where it smells like, okay, my pain is getting ready to be decreased or just demolished quickly, just gone, just destroyed, So I actually like this. I know they have, I think they have soaking solution as well, minerals, or like little small soaking solution packets. But I actually went along with this because I think it was cheaper than a Dr. Teal's one, but I just wanted something really quick. And I kind of was like, okay, this is an aches plus pain plus muscle, and it has a relief on it. And then I just liked what it had, and I was like, okay, it got menthol in it, and that's one of the big things I think when I saw this article where it relieves the pain. So I was like, okay, even though it doesn't have the whole, I was like, okay, is it going to do the same thing? But I mean, it did. But like I said before, I mixed this with the Dr. Teal, so I don't know, working together did really well. Even when I take like a bath just to like relieve the pain for a little bit, and then after I take a shower or whatever and take the bath, I kind of want to, I don't know, see how well it works together, because I like mixing things, honestly. So that's probably why it worked well. But I never tried it by itself. But let me rephrase that. I did try by itself when I had a sore foot at first, and I felt like it worked to some degree. But when I mixed this with the Dr. Teal's Epsom salt, I was like, okay, yeah, like that Dr. Teal got going on, but the Village Naturals do too. It works well. Like when I did not have any Dr. Teal and I took that bath, I actually felt, really relaxed, and I love that bubbles up, you know, really well. You can kind of tell, like I said before, how much I don't use it. You know, it's soapy, of course, and it's not really, you know, hard to do. It's just like one of those easy, you know, bottle thingies. You just kind of, I just wanted to unscrew it so you can see what it looks like. But, you know, you're getting ready, just, you know, that. How many drops you want to put in there? Like I said before, I do not follow the directions, and that is my downfall when it comes to some of this stuff. But I don't know, I feel like the more when I use more of it, it does more of what it's supposed to do for me. But hey, everybody's different, so don't take my word on it, you know, like, oh, I'm going to use more, so you'll do the same. I mean, I don't know, I can't speak for you, I can just only speak for myself. Yeah, go ahead and try it. If the Dr. Till's one that you're used to and you want to try something different, go ahead and try it. I was going to say, why don't you try the Village Naturals? I mean, yeah, try the Village Naturals Therapy X Plus Paints.